All right, the next stock we're going to be taking a look at is ISBG. I had to pull up in my notes here because I know when I pulled up the chart, I was like, okay, well, I don't see any notes here, but I know I've went through this one. I went ahead and pulled it up and I was able to find it. On the 19th, 0005, hold needs more buying pressure. And when I seen that, I was like, okay, that's a hold on the 19th, and we're on the 23rd. So, pulling up my yeah, like I said, ISBG 119. What kind of threw me off here, Joe, is when I was pulling this one up, I believe that Max submitted this one for the contest. And that was why I was like, well, this one sounds familiar. And I took a look at it. So,
Hmm.
again, let's draw this one out, guys. Over here on the 19th, when I looked at it, boom, right there. I said that needs more buying pressure hold. And you guys know how I am. These when I look at this stuff, I try to keep it only for a few day outlook. Sometimes I might say long term. Very rarely would I ever say that. But look, right there was a hold for that day. Of course, 0005. You guys were smacking down the 0003, and I said needs more buying pressure. Well, if you were following my videos and you guys are following the indicators and stuff like that that you need, and you were following ISBG, you would have noticed that on Friday morning when you woke up and took a look at your level two or what the case is, you would see that that buying pressure was there. Okay, that's what they were looking for over there when they were doing that video. Needs more buying pressure. You're going to be able to see that. Now, again, you asked me, what's that buying pressure? When you look at that level two and you see in buy, sell, buy, sell, instead of sell, buy, right? That's the best description I could give you. So the buying pressure is going to be a lot more buys versus sells. A clean wash would be, the sell and buy ratio basically 50-50, and that's usually when you see the stock going sideways. If you see buying pressure, you're going to be going up, selling obviously going down. That's going to give you guys a little bit of a better idea. So again, so if you would have woke up and took a look and start seeing those buys, wait, that's the signal that they're looking at. Boom, look what happened. And that's all I said. It needs more buying pressure. It'll take off. And you guys got that on the 20th, the day after we took a look at it. Me personally, I mean, your guys are starting to get up there, but it could still move. I really do think that you can see another day run or two. Zooming out, you're going to be hitting a resistance level. I'm going to smack that in here so you guys can see that. You're going to be hitting a resistance level at the 13. Okay? So zoom out a little bit. You're going to be hitting your first resistance. Me personally, I wouldn't. I don't want to see too much more of a move off of this today. Uh, but that's my personal opinion. I would like to see tomorrow start hitting that 13. That's going to be your trigger area to you're going to know that's starting to get towards that overbought territory. So that is all I have to add for this. Joe, do you have anything to add? I mean, was there recent news or anything?
Yeah, there was. All right, so ISBG is a Nevada-based alcohol beverage company specializing in the development, marketing, and global sales of innovative wine and spirit brands. The company's expertise lies in the strategic development and aggressive early growth of its brands and establishing these brands as a viable and profitable. ISBG intends to build its own brands while seeking out individual acquisition candidates to continue to develop its pipeline of new brands into the ISBG portfolio. So that's their description. Their press release on the 20th of January was ISBG restructures over 75% of convertible debt. So let's see, International Spirit and Beverage Group Management is pleased to announce that the company has restructured $645,000 of convertible debt. And let's see, CEO Terry Williams stated, our purpose in restructuring debt was to give the company room to grow, and we have exceeded that goal. Almost half of the debt was restructured and extended out 18 months, and the remainder of the debt was extended out 12 months. This will provide the company with financial flexibility to properly execute our key brand initiatives for 2017. The company will also be correcting an error in the recently posted financials. There are not any notes maturing in January 2017. All of the Rockwell notes are settled in the second and third quarter of 2016. With the majority of the restructuring accomplished, ISBG is turning its attention to growing the business. Company now will move forward with expanding the footprint of Besado Platinum Tequila, as well as scheduling various appearances nationwide at festivals and tasting competitions. Expansion within existing markets include new retail on-premise programs with integrated digital support. Marketing commences February 1st. So that's that right there. I mean, they showed on this press release right here, they show that they have a lot of different product placements. Like they showed a product placement recap and like all these different music videos that their products are in. So I mean, there's a good, I think about a dozen of them. I'll put the link up to the thing on the stream.
Okay.
That's pretty much it.
All right. Again, that is ISBG. And like I said, watch still has room to move. You got to be watching for that 13 resistance level. And after that, we can circle back around. But I think that once you start tapping that 13, you make sure you lock in profits. But again, this really, hopefully, that buying pressure continues. Very possible, though. It sounds like it. So ISBG, make sure you head over to investorshangout.com/live. Get involved in our live chat. You guys are the ones picking these stocks and that we're going through. So ISBG.